Hey guys, it's Sheridan from the Panhandle-Plains Historical Museum, and I work in the education department. Today we're going to teach you how to do watercolor letters. So first thing you'd need is a piece of paper. If you have watercolor paper at home, that might be a little better. So you're going to take your piece of paper, and then you're going to use painter's tape and make your letter, or you can make shapes. I'm going to do shapes today, so like geometric shapes. So I am just taping however I'd like my shapes to be. And I'll show you once I get everything done. All right. So this is what it's gonna look like if it doesn't stick to the paper towel. This is what it's gonna look like, or you could do your letter shape like this. So then you start using your watercolors. You could also use markers and then spray it with water, but with the paper, most likely the watercolor paints would work better. I am not using regular paper because the tape does tear it when you take it off. If you have regular paper, just be careful when you take the tape off the paper. So first I'm going to dip my paintbrush in the water and then pick a color and then start painting. And then I can just pick whatever color I'd like. So you want all the color to go up to the paint so that you can see a definite difference from when you take the paint off, or the tape off. And if you need a parent's help, they can help you, but this should be pretty easy for any person to do. So I'm just going to run over real quick with all these colors so we can kind of see what it looks like. Trying to get every piece of white covered that's not taped up. So once it's dry, we'll let it dry a little bit, but once it's dry, you can take the tape off. So I can start where I started first, but I would wait till it's completely dry if you can. So I would get painter's tape because it's easier. It's not as sticky as masking tape. All right, and so there's my geometric design. Go ahead and send us your pictures once you finish your watercolor letters or watercolor geometric designs, and we would just love to see them. Have a good day.